Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video for Rilla. Today's video, let's discuss about the different user levels in the attendance request. So we have different user levels for attendance request like we have a normal employee who will be able to manage and create the attendance request only for himself. And then we have the reporting managers who will be able to manage and access the attendance request for all of his subordinates, that is for all the employees whom he has been set as the reporting manager. And then we have the admin or the HR manager of an organization who will be able to manage and create and access all the employees' attendance request. So let's see the different user levels. So this is the employee portal of a normal employee, Alexander Smith. So let's see his attendance request tab over here. So under the attendance module, we can go to the attendance request. So in the attendance request, he has the requested attendances tab and the all attendance. So in the requested attendance, he'll be able to view all the attendance requests that he has created. So he can view the batch, the day, check-in time and date, checkout time and date, and the shift, the work type, minimum hour at work, overtime and all. So he'll be able to view the details of the attendance request that he has created from here. And if you want to reject it, you can reject it. And in the all attendances, he'll be able to view all the attendance, approved attendance requests that he has created. So these are his attendances that was approved by the manager. So over here, he can find all of his attendance request details. And while creating the attendance request, we can see that he'll be able to create the attendance request only for himself. So let's create an attendance request for this employee. So I'm adding the employee. And this is the attendance also. Let's set the attendance date as 3. And we have to provide a shift, the work type, and the check-in date, time, checkout date and time, and all has been auto-populated. So let's give a request description in this field. So I'm giving attendance was not for this day. And if you want to batch this as an attendance request to a particular batch, we can select the batch from here. I'm clicking on request and the request will be created. So that created request he'll be able to view in this requested attendance tab. So once the request has been approved, he'll be able to view this request in the all attendances tab over here. So this is a normal employee, and let's see how a reporting manager can manage and access the attendance request. So let's check the reporting manager of this employee. So let's go to his profile from here, my profile. And in the About tab, we'll be able to view the reporting manager. So the reporting manager for this employee, Alexander Smith, is Emily Clark. So let's go to her employee portal and see how she can manage the attendance request. So let's go log out and log in as Emily Clark. So this is Emily Clark's employee portal, and let's see how she can manage the attendance request of all of her subordinates. So under the attendance, we have the attendance requests. Similarly, he also has 2 tabs, that is requested attendance and all attendance. But we have a difference over here, that is in the requested attendances tab, we can view the attendance request of multiple employees. So here we have the Isaac Torres, Lily Campbell and Alexander Smith. So all of these employees are this Emily Clark subordinates. So she'll be able to manage the attendance request these employees has created. So here we can view that she'll be able to view the attendance request, and she also has the approve option by which she'll be able to approve the request created by that employee. And you also have the edit button over here with which she'll be able to edit the request created by that employee. So since Emily Clark has been set as the reporting manager for Alexander Smith, we have seen that she is able to manage and access the attendance request Alexander Smith has created. And similarly, in the all attendances tab, she will be able to access and manage the attendances for all the employees under her. So we have different employees attendance over here. So she'll be able to view the attendance from here. And now let's go to the admin's portal. So this is the admin's portal, that is Adam Lewis. And over here, let's go to the attendance request. Here also we have the two tabs, requested attendance and all attendances. So in the requested attendances, we will be able to view the attendance request that was created by all the employees in the organization. So this admin will be able to access and manage the attendance request of all the employees in the organization. So from here, he can view the attendance and approve the attendance if he needs. So this is the attendance request that was created by the employee Alexander Smith, and from here he can either reject, approve or edit the request. So let's approve the request. So the attendance request has been approved, and in the all attendances tab we can view that he'll be able to manage the attendances for all the employees from here. So these are the approved attendances of the employees, and he'll be able to view the attendance from his portal. And while creating a new attendance, we can see that he'll be able to create a new attendance request for all the employees. So we can see all the employees in the organization from here, and he'll be able to create the attendance request for any of this employee. And similarly, let's go back to Emily Clark's portal and see. So this is Emily Clark's portal, and when she is trying to create the attendance request, we can see that she'll be able to create attendance requests for all of these employees. So for all these employees, she is the reporting manager. So she'll be able to create attendance requests for all these employees. So these are the different user levels of attendance request in Horilla. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.